Hi, I'm Allison Witherspoon, Vice President and U.S. Chief Marketing Officer for Nissan. As we approach the end of 2020, there's never been a more important or more exciting time for our company. Nissan's corporate purpose is driving innovation to enrich people's lives, and it's our goal to give our customers the best that Nissan has to offer, from our shop-at-home tools through to the ownership experience. In May, we announced our global transformation plan called Nissan Next. Nissan Next is all about focusing our efforts to set the company on a solid path to long-term sustainability and to push even harder doing what we've always done best, thrilling customers with innovative, exciting vehicles. While this transformation includes substantial changes to how we run our business and to our corporate culture, for our customers, it's about where the rubber meets the road. Nissan's vehicle lineup. We promised 10 new vehicle introductions in 20 months, with many of them in showrooms by the end of 2021. And we are delivering on that promise as we continue moving forward. We launched Nissan Next with a short video tease previewing 10 new global models from A to Z. Within weeks, we were off and running with the reveal of the all-new 2021 Rogue crossover. The Rogue is now on sale nationwide and is wowing customers with design, safety, performance, technology, and family-friendly cabin features that exceed expectations. In July, we revealed the first A in the A to Z video, the all-electric Nissan Ariya crossover. Then, in September, we followed with the Z Proto, which previews the next chapter in the iconic Z story. And today, we are excited to show you the next two models coming very soon from Nissan. The new 2021 Armada and Kicks are the bookends to Nissan's strong lineup of crossovers and SUVs. With the all-new Rogue, recently refreshed Rogue Sport and Murano, and another vehicle coming soon, the Nissan showroom will have one of the freshest and most diverse SUV lineups anywhere. And just like we've delivered with the 2020 Sentra and the 2021 Rogue, these new models bring a strong combination of design, safety, leading-edge technology, and premium refinement that equals unexpected value to our customers. Now, let's take a look at the new 2021 Armada.
Thanks, Allison. You've outlined a promising future for the company, with an exciting lineup of new products with technology that will exceed our customers' expectations. I'm proud to be part of it. I'm Paul Hawson, Director of Product Planning at Nissan North America. I'm here today to give you quick tours of the new 2021 Armada and Kicks, starting with Armada, the flagship of Nissan's dynamic SUV and crossover lineup. The new 2021 Armada is made for adventurous families who expect it all. Authentic premium styling, rugged capability, advanced safety and technology with comfort for up to 8 people. And that's exactly what the new Armada delivers. The ability to provide limitless driver confidence through its powerful design and full-size capability. Let's start with the most prominent features, then take a closer look at the heart of this beast. First, the 2021 Armada has a rugged yet refined new exterior. The new, more squared and chiseled body includes redesigned hood, front fenders, bumpers, a grille, and powerful new headlight and taillight designs. There are also new wheels, plus a blackout treatment we call Armada Midnight Edition. Pure premium coupled with that sinister look and feel. The 2021 Armada is the first model to wear the new Nissan Next logo. It's pretty cool. Inside, the 8-passenger Armada offers a luxurious, comfortable, and modern interior. The cabin is library quiet, all the better to hear your playlist on wireless Apple CarPlay, and the seating and storage flexibility is designed for family members of all ages and sizes. Armada's advanced technology includes an all-new 12.3-inch display, a 7-inch color digital gauge cluster, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, now let's dive a little deeper into Armada's unmatched power and all-terrain capabilities. Armada's powerful 5.6-liter endurance V8 engine features a best-in-class standard 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. With that power, Armada provides a best-in-class standard towing of 8,500 pounds. For 2021, Armada adds a new trailer brake controller and trailer sway control, giving you added confidence when you take to the open road towing heavier toys like boats, campers, or horse trailers. Armada remains an off-road beast with a robust frame and an all-around independent suspension that offers excellent balance of stability and articulation during adventurous driving. The new Armada's purposeful technology includes standard Nissan Safety Shield 360, which provides all-around detection and protection for an adventurous family road trip to a simple drive to pick up dinner, and everything in between. The new Armada is available in 3 well-equipped grades, SV, SL, and Platinum. So to sum it up, best-in-class standard 400 horsepower, best-in-class standard 8,500 pounds of towing, the largest in-class 12.3-inch center screen, all wrapped in authentic adventure style and family comfort. The 2021 Nissan Armada comes to market in January, a great way to celebrate a new year of family adventures. Now let's take a look at the 2021 Kicks. The 2021 Nissan Kicks takes a far different approach to adventure than the Armada. Armada was born of Nissan's authentic SUV heritage and DNA, including the desert racing victories captured around the world by the original Nissan Patrol and Pathfinder. Kicks, by contrast, gains its inspiration from the beaches of Brazil, with its original concept developed by Nissan Design America in Rio de Janeiro. As an urban, compact SUV, Kicks has built a solid following throughout the world, as a crossover of choice for young multicultural singles and couples living their pre-family lives. For 2021, Kicks ups the desirability factor with enhanced exterior styling, upgraded technology, and additional standard safety items. So let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice is the Kicks' energetic styling. The youthful redesign features a new V-motion front grille, new wheel design, along with new front and rear bumpers that are accentuated by bold LED headlights, fog lights, and taillights. Kicks continues to offer a range of new, vibrant colors and two-tone paint schemes, allowing for more personalization. In fact, through the use of colors and an array of available accessories, Kicks is one of the most customizable vehicles in the segment. Inside the new Kicks offers smart and stylish interior with a new customizable 8-inch touchscreen display, additional USB ports, new seat materials, and more premium finishes, along with an available new center console, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and more. Kicks again has music lovers covered with the available Bose Personal Plus audio system that brings premium sound right to the driver's headrests. Technology has been upgraded with standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 and available intelligent cruise control and auto brake hold. The elevated driving experience for the urban agility of Kicks includes new 4-wheel disc brakes and an electronic parking brake. And in keeping with the Nissan Next philosophy of offering technology above segment expectations, Kicks is available with Nissan Connect services, a suite of convenience and security features that provides assistance when owners need it most. Kicks is perfect for owners who want a vehicle that matches their distinct personality as they seek out adventures big or small. And best of all, Kicks is a great value. So there you have it, 2 great vehicles, 2 ends of Nissan's SUV and crossover lineup, and 2 dynamic examples of what you can expect from Nissan Next. And now, back to Allison.
So that's a quick early look at the new 2021 Armada and Kicks, 2 great new additions to the Nissan lineup of crossovers and SUVs. They'll join the all-new Rogue in Nissan showrooms in early 2021 with a combination of style, safety, performance, and features that are sure to thrill even customers with the highest expectations. Even with the new models we've already shared, there is more to come. Watch for what's next in January when we reveal all new versions of 2 of Nissan's most iconic nameplates. We are recreating Nissan, transforming our business and products to be the best we can be for our customers. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling ride.